What is credit repair? Phoenix AZ. Credit repair refers to the process of fixing a poor or damaged credit score. It involves identifying errors in your credit report, disputing those errors with credit bureaus, and taking steps to improve your credit score. The ultimate goal of credit repair is to help you obtain a better credit score, which can lead to lower interest rates and more favorable loan terms. A credit score is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on the information in your credit report. Your credit score is used by lenders to determine your risk as a borrower. The higher your credit score, the lower your perceived risk, and the more likely you are to be approved for loans and credit cards. Credit repair begins with reviewing your credit report for errors. Common mistakes include incorrect personal information, duplicate accounts, and late payments that were actually on time. Disputes can be filed with credit bureaus to have these errors corrected. It's important to dispute errors promptly, as credit reports are updated every 3 months. Another aspect of credit repair is to make sure your credit utilization is low. Credit utilization is the amount of credit you're using compared to the amount you have available. A high credit utilization ratio can lower your credit score, so it's best to keep it below 30% of your available credit. This can be accomplished by paying off debt, asking for a credit limit increase, or using a credit card less frequently. It's also important to pay your bills on time. Late payments stay on your credit report for 7 years and can have a significant impact on your credit score. Setting up automatic payments or reminders can help ensure your bills are paid on time. In some cases, credit repair may involve working with a credit counseling agency or a credit repair company. These organizations can help you understand your credit report and credit score, develop a personalized plan for improving your credit, and negotiate with creditors on your behalf. However, be cautious when choosing a credit repair company, as some may engage in illegal or unethical practices. Look for companies that are accredited by the Better Business Bureau and do research before signing a contract. Credit repair can take time, so it's important to be patient and persistent. It can also be tempting to try shortcuts like applying for new credit cards or loans, but this can actually harm your credit score in the long run. In conclusion, credit repair is a valuable tool for improving your credit score and financial health. By reviewing your credit report, managing your credit utilization, paying bills on time, and working with reputable professionals, you can take control of your credit and achieve your financial goals.